Hey guys, so today we're going to go over question number 2 on your Isolines worksheet. So this question says, on the map, draw the 60 degrees Fahrenheit isotherm from location A to the western edge of the map. So here's location A, and it's telling us to go towards the western edge of the map. This looks like the United States. This must be the western edge, right? Towards the left. And notice it says edge, meaning our line should not just stop abruptly in the middle of the map. It should connect to the edges, okay? So let's get started. Clearly it's talking about an isotherm, meaning this map, all the lines on this map that we're about to draw are representing temperature, lines or points of equal temperature, and we're trying to draw the line that represents the 60-degree Fahrenheit line. So the first step is always to find on the map where it says 60 and circle those numbers. So I see 60 right here, right here, right here, right here. Those are all the 60s I see. So take a closer look if you need to. Now that I wrote down or circled all the 60s that I see, I'm going to try to take a guess or estimate where the other hidden 60s might be. So I'm going to start from the bottom left of the map and go upwards and try to look in between all the numbers to figure out where the other 60s might be. So 60 can't be between 60 and 73 because 60 is 60, so I'm going to skip this. It can be between 55 and 60 because 60 is 60. Let's move here. 60 is not between 53 and 60. 60, however, is between 53 and 80. So I'm going to draw a little star here. By the way, when you're drawing the line at the end, you can erase your circles and stars. This is just a draft to figure out where you should go. 60 is between 53 and 78. So I'm going to draw a star right here. It's not between 78 and 77. It's not between 77 and 81. It's not between 81, 85, or 75 and 81. Let's move up this way. 60 is between 45 and 70, so I'm going to draw a star there. I can even look this far. It's between 48 and 77. I'm going to draw a little star there. It's not between 48 and 53, so I'm not going to draw a star there. It's not between 43, 48. It is between 47, 61, so let's draw a star there. It's between 41 and 66. Let's draw a star there. Let's keep moving. It is between 51 and 66. Let's draw a star there. It's between 51 and 67. It's not between 67 and 75. Let's see. Let's look at any other places. It's not between 38, 45 or 51, 41. Not between these numbers or these numbers. I don't see any other numbers where I could have another 60. So now the third step is to start connecting my circles and my stars. Okay, so start from here. Remember, we're connecting wherever we circle the 60, we're connecting the dot for the 60. So these two 60s I can connect. Before I connect, I'm going to check whether it can go through 55 and 73, and it can. 60 is actually between 55 and 73. I can add a star there, and then I can go from here to this star, and then from this star to this star. Sorry. And from this star to this star, from this star to this star, and then here, from here to this 60, right here, and then from this 60 to this star I can connect. And then can I go to 41 and between these two numbers? No, because 60 is not between 41 and 51, so I'm going to go down to this star right here, and I can connect from this star to this star, and finally from this star to this 60 right here in this dot. Okay, and there I have it. The thing is, notice that my question says draw the isotherm from location A to the western edge of the map, meaning even though I stopped here, I can't stop here. My line needs to go towards the western edge of the map. You have to end here. Okay, and this is my final isoline. It goes like this. You can erase the circles and stars to represent a line that finally looks something like this. So you can get full credit if you draw the whole line correctly, If you draw more than one line for whatever reason, maybe you're making a 70-degree line or a 30-degree line, make sure all lines are correct to receive full credit. And no, your line does not have to be labeled. Just make sure whatever connection or line you draw, those lines are correct. Sorry. And that's it. Go ahead and try math number 3.